Hello everyone, I am Srija Rudra, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, MLR Institute of Technology. Now I'd like to discuss a topic called steganography from cryptography and information security. Let's see the outline. So what is meant by steganography? What are the uses of this steganography and its relation to cryptography, digital watermarking, network security and steganography, and types of steganography. Detecting the steganography, it is nothing but a steganography analysis and future of the steganography. All these things you are going to come across here. So what is steganography? Origin of this term is steganos means secret. Graphy means writing. So secret writing, we are writing secretly. It may be in an image form, we are writing it secretly in the image or in the audio file or the video file, whatever it may be, we are writing it in a secret form. History of steganography means steganography in ancient Greece, ancient Rome, like in 1499, and Steganographia, the first book about steganography, and in the World War II also Germany, microdots, and modern steganography, 1985, with the development of personal computers, and digital steganography, that is with internet. Example, digital watermarking. That is a digital steganography we are going to use now. Uses of this steganography. So whatever the thing, generally we will know its applications and real-time uses. Here also steganography is used in government and business for digital watermarking and individuals. Steganography and cryptography. With both this combination, we can see it's a highly secured thing because this closely related to each other. So the difference is that in their goals we can find a little difference. Like cryptography means, although encrypted and unreadable, the existence of the data is not hidden. We are just changing the data from one form to another form and encrypting it. That is cryptography. We are not hiding the data, and data is not hidden position. But in steganography, there is no knowledge of existence of the data. Here entirely existence of the data will not be there. It will be hidden under an image, or it might be hidden in an audio file, it might be in a video file. But in cryptography, what happens? You can find the data, but it is in encrypted form. But I mean, data is not hidden there. But in steganography, there is no concept of like hiding the data. There is no concept of existing the data. They are there. I mean, the data is being hidden. Steganography and cryptography can be used together to produce a better protection. That's really true. But let's see how far extent the government is going to accept the steganography and cryptography to work together. This is a digital watermarking. This is an image painted with watermark. Is an invisible man, Neil F. Johnson. Next, digital watermarking is used primarily for identification and embedded a unique piece of information within a medium. Typically, it's an image without noticeably altering the medium. So almost impossible to remove without seriously degrading an image. That is will be done because it's not possible to remove without degrading an image. Digital steganography and watermarking. So digital watermarking hides the data in a file and act as hiding data makes it a form of steganography. As I already told, cryptography means we are just encrypting the data or changing the data. We are not hiding the data. But here in digital watermarking, we are hiding the data in a file. And the way that we are hiding the data in a file, the act of hiding the data is making it a form or steganography. The key difference is their goal. So steganography means hiding information and watermarking is extending the file with extra information. See that little difference we need to come across. Like steganography information must never be apparent to a viewer unaware of its presence. Now, network security and steganography. In this network security, confidentiality means an unauthorized person does not know the sensitive data exists, and survivability, so verifying that the data does not get destroyed in the transmission. Survivability means it should survive, and also we should verify that data is not lost in the transmission. It is survived even after the transmission. That is survivability. No detection, cannot be easily found out that the data is hidden in a given file. So no detection means it's not easy to find out that whether the data is hidden in a given file or not. Steganography means generally hiding, but there is no way to find it easily whether the data is hidden in a given file or not. Visibility. People cannot see any visible changes to the file in which the data is hidden. Suppose steganography is done and we are hiding the data behind an image or audio in an audio file or video file, but still then people cannot see any visible changes to that file in which the data is hidden. That is visibility. Next, types of digital steganography. How many types of digital steganography means the ways in which the data can be hidden, like hiding the message inside the text is one way, and hiding the message inside the images, it's another way. And this is the most popular technique, because when you try to hide the message inside the image, it will really provide a lot of secure, and it's a good thing. So hiding a message inside audio and video files, this is the one more thing. We are having uh, text, images, audio and video. Among these four, in anything the message can be hidden. Like we can hide the message inside a text. Sometimes we can find it easily if it is hidden inside the text. And hiding a message inside the image, that is not clear, and we cannot see the text which is hidden inside the image, that is not visible. Next, hiding the message inside an audio and a video file. But among these three, only the hiding of message inside the images is most popular technique. See here, hiding an image within an image. This, we are hiding an image within an image. How? By removing all but the two least significant bits of each color component produces an almost completely black image. So making that image 85 times brighter produces the image below. So that's really easy. Next, hiding a message inside audio or a video file. So human limitations of 20 Hz, large amount of data that can be hidden inside and hard to recognize because of the continuous flow of information. So as we already studied, hiding of message inside audio and video files is possible, but large amount of data can be hidden inside, and it is hard to recognize because continuous flow of information will be and moving stream of images and sound. So this is not too much preferred. Hiding an data inside an image is most preferred. So what is the future of this steganography? The most important use of steganographic techniques will probably lie in the field of digital watermarking, as I already told you. So once again, I'm repeating. The most important use of steganographic techniques will probably lie in the field of digital watermarking. So might become limited under laws. Government claim that criminals use steganography to communicate. As we already know that cryptography and steganography both work together, it will really provide a security at a high end. But still the government claims that criminals are using this steganography for communication purpose, and there might be some limited use for it under laws. By seeing all these things, it might become limited under laws. So government claim that criminals are using this for communication purpose. I mean, they are using this steganography for communication, so it might become a limited under the laws. Thank you guys. If you're having any doubts regarding this video on steganography, you can ask me in the comment section.